Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days. Today I'm out in my greenhouse in the Queen Dome, and I'm going to show you a little bit about what's going on, kind of an update. This is April the 2nd and what I'm fixing to plant. Our onions are just going crazy in here, and Danny's still got all his plants. Look at these tomatoes. They're 18 to 24 inches tall. It's cold. It was in the 30s last night, so we can't put them out yet. He's going to be burying those. Lippy kind of downed my kale a lot. Isn't it gorgeous? We had kale for supper and it was really, really good. And she cleaned out quite a bit. So now you can see my flowers, my little daisies. Danny put one squash here. And it hasn't grown much since he put it here. And I had one that came up from seed. And then he put that one there, and it's doing pretty good. It had a little squash on it, but I don't think it pollinated. But it's got some more. We've got the doors open today. These are the purple green beans, the burgundy, I think they're called. And they've been doing like crazy, you can see. So we hope to have beans shortly. They've got all these pretty little buds coming out everywhere. You can see them. They're gorgeous. This is the other squash plant. It's just fixing to bloom, so we're going to have little squash. If the pollinators, we have not seen any today. It's kind of cold. But this is one of my Cherokee purple tomatoes. It's going pretty good. This is a bean that I planted back in the fall and didn't come up till spring, so we kind of got to wait and see what I planted here. And this is a spot that I have ginger and turmeric. Not really anything time. It's not time for it to come up. Geraniums. Miss Lippy told me I need to be pinching the heads off when they quit blooming, and I'll have more. Aren't they gorgeous? Now this is my Cherokee lettuce. Danny started this inside in the House Grow Kit. I've already got it out here. And it is looking awesome in just about 3 days. It's taken some shape. So I'm anxious to see how the Cherokee lettuce does. You can see all Danny's onions across here are doing great. All of his onions. My little plant here is blooming. We're keeping the greenhouse really nice. Things are looking good. This plant is starting to come back out, so I'm babying it. This plant is starting to come back out. I've got to get these two cut out of that, split, and into something else. One of my subscribers said to take them out of here because they're root bound, split them, and make 4 out of 2. So we're going to do that. My Cherokee tan pumpkin, guys. Isn't that awesome? I got a Cherokee tan pumpkin freeze drying video coming up in about a week. We're going to freeze dry Cherokee tan pumpkins. Now look at the size of this. This is the Cherokee purple tomato, and look how healthy and beautiful. I mean, it's probably 12 to 15 inches tall. The other one I showed you wasn't quite that tall. Look at this one, also looking great. These down here. All of them are about the same size and looking good. Right there. Our peppercorn's coming out, doing awesome there. I planted a flower there, and I don't remember what it was, and it's coming up doing good. Looks awesome over there. More of Danny's little tomato plants that we can't put out yet. Look at this. Petunias already. Beautiful color. I love color in my greenhouse, don't y'all? Petunias are just doing awesome. But the peppercorn is coming back out, so I'm hoping to run it maybe this year. I won't let it freeze. This end, I meant to give Miss Lippy some of her aloe. I've got it babies in there and I forgot, so I had to ship her some. This aloe managed to salvage it throughout the winter, which is good. Here again, we got to pinch off some tops, so I have more coming out, but this was daisies in here. We're hoping, see, I got new growth coming in there. Also, this was my airplane plant. It's coming back out, and I've got one down here. And this is my Cherokee long ear popcorn. Look, guys, I'm growing corn. Isn't that awesome? Doesn't mean I'm gonna get anything, but look how tall. Danny's already fertilized it one time. We're keeping it watered, but look at the popcorn. It's the Cherokee long eagle popcorn. Now this was the Cherokee Hearts Are Bursting. It was a flower sent to me by a subscriber, and so far I have nothing. It hasn't come up. I planted seeds, I keep it watered, but oh, I was so hoping to see that, but it's not up. This is the Trail of Tears beans, the Cherokee Trail of Tears beans. I've got several of those already starting to run. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? Danny squash already blooming, like I said. Look at the little squash. We've had pollinators in here, so we hope that one got pollinated. Not sure. We had the doors open for a few days. Another Trail of Tears. Look at this. I think it's awesome. Another one of our squash with a lot of little bitty things on it, so hopefully we'll have squash in a week or two. Another Trail of Tears. Isn't that pretty? And our daisies. I love color. I just really love color. Our onions and onion chives that are in here are just flourishing, doing awesome. Got a little flower back in there. I put some of my, I think it's mums or something I stuck in there, and it's doing okay. Look at this. I put the Market More, I think, from Hoss Tools cucumbers in here. I only wanted 2, but I got 2 here and 2 here that are fixing to start running. And then look at the kale behind it. Isn't it pretty? This is from Hoss Tools. The kale is doing awesome. And again, another one of my little flowers. Here, Malabar spinach. We're going to run it up this pole and let it go. This is the Cherokee yellow wax beans. Look at this. Aren't they pretty? They're starting to put on little buds, flowers soon. Cherokee wax beans soon, soon, soon. And Slippy brought me some mullein. And so I cleared out all the asparagus. No, it wasn't asparagus. I cleared out all the radishes that were in here. They weren't doing anything else. I had harvested all of the little red radishes that were ready. Took out the ones that were just remaining. They were starting to bolt. Added the mullein. Over here, the watermelon radishes did not do anything. I probably got 5 or 6 decent eating size, but they weren't big. So I just cleaned them up. This is what we're fixing to plant, guys. Most everything in here is Cherokee, but we're going with speckled Algonquin beans. I'm not saving seed, guys. I'm just planting to see what will grow and what will not. And these were sent by a subscriber maybe 2-3 years ago. I don't know, I lose time, you know, I don't know. But I'm going to try them in here. And we're going to see if speckled Algonquin beans will grow in Wanda's high tunnel. So guys, I hope you enjoyed walking around in my greenhouse today. And we'll be back with some more videos in the future. Just hit the like, share, subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.